Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with endless beaches and beautiful lanterns. But the city really lights up its charm at night. So follow us around the Venice of Vietnam and experience this magical place with us. So let's hop right into the city center and do some shopping and exploring. You may notice that Hoi An is actually quiet during the day. That is because it's car-free from 3 p.m. onwards, which means you have to park your bike if you have one a little bit outside of the main center. The city is actually full of tailors, which Hoi An is famous for. You can get a very cheap suit handmade by a tailor. And if you want to know how much a tailor-made suit will cost you here in Hoi An, definitely check out this video here.
Parking your motorbike seems quite easy, but there's a trick to it. We mark a position on the map where it's very cheap and you only pay 5,000 dong for the whole day. There are other parking spots before you enter the old town, and they charge you up to 10,000 per hour, so definitely choose the one we show you. And of course the city is way less busy during the day while at night, so if you want to enjoy your shopping, you should come around 3 to 4 p.m. because then it's the quietest and it's not so hot anymore. But after a while you might find it very hot in the city, so there's also a solution to that. Just go to the beach. You might not know it, but Hoi An has beautiful beaches too. Basically the whole coastline of central Vietnam is a big beach. We are now at Cua Dai Beach. It's just located nearby our hotel and it's a huge white sand beach. You have a lot of place to do soccer, volleyball, whatever you want. You can enter the water and it's also very cheap. The sunbed only costs us 60,000 dong for the whole day. If you come with the motorbike, it just takes you about 10 minutes from Hoi An city to reach this area.
And as you might see, there are a lot of different restaurants which sell you the drinks or your food directly at the beach. I really love that there are so many palm trees. It looks so tropical and you can see the neighboring islands just over there.
So the beach itself is very clean, the water is clean and there are no people here. It's basically empty. So it's definitely a hidden gem for now, but visit it as soon as you can because on the coastline they're building a lot of hotels, so it might get very crowded in the future.
And the sand is very hot too! But Cua Dai is not the only beach here in Hoi An. This is An Beach. An Beach is by far the most touristy and the most known beach here in Hoi An. So this one is actually just a 5 to 10 minutes drive from Cua Dai Beach and there is no entrance fee. You can get also a chair for free if you eat in the restaurant on site.
And if you walk a little bit outside, there are a few restaurants that look very nice. Don't eat at the beach, just go a little bit behind. It might be better.
And cheaper.
We did a short ride from the beach or center town. We reached Mae Mau coconut forest, where it is possible to make the famous coconut boat ride. Coconut boat, boat. Prices for a boat ride usually range between 100 or 200,000 Vietnamese dong. If you're looking for a thrill, you can go for the extreme spinning, but it will cost you extra. The village itself is very small and tranquil, except for some locals doing karaoke.
So now we're here at Mate's restaurant, one of our favorite restaurants in Hoi An. You absolutely have to come here. It's one of the few Western style restaurants in the area. If you're at the beaches and don't know where to eat, just come here. We really recommend it. And while traveling, it's mostly about the people, and they are very friendly here. It's reasonably priced and the kitchen is perfect. So this is the owner?
Yeah, I'm the owner.
So if you're struggling with vegan or vegetarian options for food, just come here.
Yeah, and he's the chef himself, so just trust us.
Thank you.
This is the special freshly made passion mojito.
Thank you.
Wow. It's amazing. Might have a new favorite drink. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Oh, no.
you usually squeeze your lime into this salt and pepper mix. Wait a moment. And then you grab your chicken and put it in this mix. So it's like a sauce and it tastes so good. Perfect.
So after this perfect meal, we take a quick shower and show you a hotel. So while Alice is taking a shower, I will show you a hotel real quick because it's very beautiful. It's near the beach, it's very cheap, very clean, and the owners are so friendly. This is our room. Ignore the mess. It's always like this when we travel. So we have 3 beds basically, but there are also an option for only 2. And we have a little balcony, and you can already see the great view and how rural it is. It's very quiet here. This is the spacious outside area where you can chill, have a beer. This is kind of the breakfast and living room area, and this is the lovely owner.
Hello, welcome home.
What's the name of the hotel, so they know?
Sun Paradise Villa.
And they have also a very spacious pool. I'll show you. You're basically the only guest house hotel in this area, more or less. So there's nothing to disturb you except a few cows over there. And you can see them. And getting to the old town of Hoi An just takes you about 10 minutes by motorbike. So really nothing to complain here. So absolutely check this place out. The link is in the description. But now let's go to Hoi An at night, the city of lanterns. See you there.
We finally made it to Hoi An Town Center. As charming as it is, but it gets packed, especially on weekends. Today it's Friday, and you can really see there's a lot of people, especially local tourists, will come to see this special place. So the main thing to do here in the center of Hoi An is to either go shopping, go to the night market, have a nice boat ride with beautiful lanterns, or just have a coffee. So now let's explore this beautiful place. These are not only lantern shops. You can also go in, take a picture, but of course they'll charge you. It's just 10,000 dong. So I recommend you should absolutely do it because it will be a very, very nice picture.
So we still have some time left before the memory show. So we'll grab some dessert and explore the night market a little bit.
Chili and mayonnaise.
Not too spicy, just a little spicy.
Thank you.
So this is a rice paper pancake, and I got myself a vegetarian one because I'm not sure how the quality of the meat is here in the market, so it's better to stay safe, and I'm just gonna try it. Lot of onion, crispy, and very good. He mixes it with sauces. Interesting taste, like it.
Cheap. Yeah.
Okay. Just get one. Yeah.
So it's bad to touch them. So.
Aye.
It's actually just a little crunch. It's not really ice cream. It's more like a biscuit, but it's so frozen that it breaks in your mouth and then melts a little bit. It's a nice, interesting taste. I've never had this one before. That's good. It's different. You have to try it. So the night market is way less populated than the bridge. So if you want to enjoy a little bit of shopping, just walk down the street. There are fewer people the longer you go. So if you go all to the end, you have a really relaxed time. So after this little shopping tour, we are now heading to a very famous show that starts at 8 p.m. So we'll have to hurry a little bit now, but see you there. The Hoi An Memory Show was absolutely amazing. You have to check it out. It's a visual experience you won't forget that easily. But now it's time for dinner.
And we decided to have it at a very special place. This is Hoi An Eatery. Hoi An Eatery is basically a roofed marketplace where you can find lots of food stalls. But very easy, you can sit down and just order from the menu and they will bring it to your table.
Actually very cool.
This looks so good. Looks very fresh. It's like an explosion in your mouth. The herbs are so fresh. That's very good.
This is only available in Hoi An, and it reminds me a lot of Japanese ramen kind of thing, the Japanese bowls. And make it small and then mix it. The pork smells really good. This is really good. It's not what you expect. This really is a very tasty pork meat where and you taste it in the whole dish more or less, but then combined with these fresh noodles, the salad, it's amazing. So if you're in Hoi An, you definitely have to try this. Let's try the pork. It's very soft, very tasty, seasoned very good. I've not expected something like this, to be honest. You have to try this if you're here. Come to this place, it's awesome.
So after this delicious meal, we're gonna have the famous boat ride on Hoi An River.
You don't have to book the boat ride in advance. There are literally hundreds of women just asking you to make one every day. So just approach the main bridge and then you should find a possibility to make one.
Otherwise, just grab your ticket at the ticket office.
Let's go.
As always, safety first. The boat ride for 2 persons is 150, and if you want to light up an extra candle to put in the river and make your wish, it will be 25,000 dong per person or per candle.
So altogether 200 for the ride and candle.
Yes. And now let's make a wish.
your wish?
I don't tell.
That's my turn. I'll tell you my wish. I wish you to subscribe. Thank you. On that note, we'll end our video.
There's more of Vietnam coming, so be sure to subscribe to our channel to don't miss out on any video.
See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.